Bought this Craftsman Radial arm saw on Craigslist, and it was in pretty good shape. But as always, when you buy these things used, the adjustment knob, or I don't know, wheel, is always broken off because it's cast aluminum. Always. So the plan is, this is actually a cheap 5/8 socket from Harbor Freight, and it fits on there like so. Took this knob off the sheet metal brake and traced it. Let me see, it's hard to see on the phone. Traced it onto here, right? And just gonna plasma torch it off. All right, so got it cut out, and there it is. Got the center marked, and 3/8 socket attachment. So I'm gonna drill a hole in the handle, and I'm gonna register off of this back part of this part right here. So I need something this diameter, so it's a little over 300 thousandths. And if I want to make a fast adjustment, just chuck the drill on. There it is. I'm done with this guy.